Ms. Felton?
Caleb Felton.
Attorney for you on behalf of Ms. Felton.
And then I've got another one from June 2nd, vicious act. She stands mute, waives formal reading.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stands mute might sound like courtroom poetry, but it's a tactical move. By not pleading guilty or not guilty, the court enters a not guilty plea on her behalf. It's a way of saying, I'm not admitting to anything yet. But with multiple cases and 2 animal-related charges coming up, that silence might not last long.
And then I've got another one from May 26th. It's mine.
And that's being adjourned.
Well, first of all, she stands mute, waives formal reading on that.
Yes, Judge.
So what are you doing on these cases? Adjourned for discovery on Judge Hessen's. And you're nolly processing the dog at large case.
Correct, Your Honor, that was a duplicate ticket.
I see. What's it a duplicate of?
Of the June 2nd incident.
Who's Brownstone?
Boom, the judge isn't playing around. Comeuppance is courtroom code for, you're in deep. This moment flips the energy. What was procedural suddenly feels personal. And the mention of Tennessee. That's not just a road trip. It's a key detail in what's about to get messy.
Docket, was this mine or?
Yours, for your matter.
So they did an
Okay.
emergency one, Your Honor.
Wait a minute. I wouldn't say a word right now. I read her brief. You're gonna have comeuppance with me.
Okay.
You think you're gonna violate orders in this court from these judges, me or Judge Hessen, like you
No.
just did?
No, I'm saying,
I don't want you to say a word.
okay.
Yikes. Accused of laughing, violating court orders, and having her autistic child in court while the judge is visibly frustrated. This is not a good look. Is this a mother overwhelmed by life? Or someone just not taking the system seriously? What do you see here? Drop your thoughts below.
She tells you to do something and you take the dog and take it to Tennessee allegedly, or at least that's what you tell the police. Don't start with me. Don't say a word. You should not have said a word. And then you're acting back here, you're laughing, you got your kid fooling around. This is a big game to you, huh?
He's autistic.
I'm sorry about that. I really am. But you're still back there laughing with your friend. I'm telling you, you obviously don't think this is important or serious at all.
I laughed at pain, to be honest. Instead of crying.
I mean, I am really sorry about your son. I did not know that. And all right, give me a second here. PR. All right. I'm just kind of confused, to be honest. I guess when I read the brief, I must have misunderstood something. I got an A, B, and C of 688. We're adjourning all of those, right?
Correct, the 2 vicious animal cases now.
Those are in front of Judge Hess, right? And then I've got 25B8, 2383, A, B, and C that are in front of me.
Correct.
And you want me to dismiss which one?
Of the singular citation with dog at large. It was a standalone case.
25B 148713.
Hope so.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss that one. That one is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, where is the dog now?
It is in animal control custody. Ms. Felton did turn over the animal on Sunday night.
But I wanna go over this brief with you.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is what the prosecutor wrote. So, it's just been a long day. I'm sorry if I'm getting a little. Where's the brief on that? I had it here a second ago.
Do you want my copy, Your Honor?
No, I got it here. So the judge has an order to turn over the animal to Brownstown Animal Control.
So let me get this straight. She tells police she gave the dog to a stranger on Facebook in Tennessee, then later brings the dog in herself. That's a plot twist that even Netflix wouldn't greenlight. And the stakes, multiple bites. One child, allegedly bruised around the neck. This isn't about a runaway pet, this is public safety.
To be held at, this is after the June 2nd dog bite, right?
It was.
And she ordered her to turn it over to the animal control to be held at the owner's expense until the hearing is held. And you're saying defendant failed to do so. And then that was the second act, and these were bad bites of young children, right?
They were, yeah. The first incident was a bite, the second one was a bruising around a child's neck.
And then she advised animal control she drove the dog to Tennessee and gave the dog to someone she contacted over Facebook. But then she recanted on that and brought the dog in, right?
She did, Your Honor.
All right, so tell me exactly what you would like me to order in terms of bond. That the dog remain at the Brownstone Animal Shelter until further order of the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do I have a bond sheet here? Yes, I do. Do you have just one dog, ma'am?
I have two,
Where's the other one?
my house.
This first dog, can you describe the dog for me, Miss?
Animal control on threat, and Your Honor, she's here. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Your name?
Kaylin Armbrecht.
Okay, just let me make a note here. And Lisa, I'm just gonna write this one, and then I'm gonna ask you to fill this out. Go ahead. So what kind of a dog is that one?
It's a Siberian Husky Pit Mix. Black
Si-
and white
Siberian Husky
Pit Mix.
Pit Mix.
Correct.
Defendant's dog to remain in Brownstone Animal Shelter until further order of the court. Ma'am, you cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law.
I guess. That's not exactly a confident yes, Your Honor. When you're standing before a judge who's questioning whether you even deserve a personal bond, vague answers don't help. Will Kayla Felton take this second chance? Seriously. Or are we going to see her name again next month on the docket?
You must appear in court as directed. You're not to have any contact with any of the victims. You cannot write, phone, receipt, text, email, or communicate with them, or have anybody else do any of those things for you or on your behalf. That will be the bond conditions on all of these. And again, the dogs to remain at the Brownstone Animal Shelter, that's Siberian Husky Pit Mix, until further order of the court. We'll give you new dates on these. And Lisa, do you want to give me the dates? I'm going to have you write all this down. I got to get moving on these other cases. So what date?
July 16th at 10.
This will be July 15th at 10.
16th.
16th at 10. All right. Do you understand everything, ma'am?
Yes.
So I'm giving you a personal bond. I have to tell you, when I read these briefs, I wondered if that was appropriate. You cannot ignore orders of the court. Do you understand that?
I guess.
All right, let's let it go. You fill out a petition for court-appointed lawyer going forward. That will be the date. Lisa, just make sure you write that on all these so Judge Hesson knows what I did. Will you please?
Okay, hers are getting adjourned at the same day.
Yeah, we can do
Okay.
it the same day unless she's not here or whatever.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. So, Brooke, you're all set. Fill out your petition, go down the hall, get your notice. Thank you so much, counsel. You worked really hard today.
I still got one, if Mr.
Chantel Brooks?
No.
That's my
she's in
Thomas.
custody.
Chantel Marie Brooks. Where's Chantel Marie Brooks at?
She's in custody in Woodhaven, Judge.
Did somebody call 25W?